Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Hi, Alex here with Apple. I'm going to make a resume of the session after hours today. Apple reported the earnings. We used, as you can see on the chart, I made a note here. We sold short 326 after hours. We consider that the upside in Apple is limited. We had this perspective ahead of earnings, and we waited for what the company had to say to open for the first time a short position to hold. So we already referred to Apple as stock exceptionally expensive at a price of 317 and higher, and therefore we used the strength to open a short position. Obviously this had to be done and shall be done on strength and not on weakness, due to the existence of an uptrend and very high momentum. And also we didn't know exactly what the company was going to report. So this was the end result. Having said this, I'm not trying to call ultimate top in Apple. I expect analysts obviously to increase price targets as they turn more and more bullish. But I repeat that we do not foresee Apple as a good investment. There are many other stocks that in fact they outperform Apple on a daily basis. Well, having said this, we are going to remain short the stock despite any the probability for the stock to obviously to rally from here, and we will add to the short side in Apple once we determine that it will be useful to do so, and therefore there is nothing else here to be said. Okay, so we maintain the currency of ratings. I'm not going to refer to the past because I already repeated to many times, and everyone has access to the investment process discussed on the blog of the company. I'm just going to refer to the recent history, where in December 2019 we referred to Apple precisely in this region here as a strong buy. Okay, so at 250 and below. Also here in November we referred here to Apple as a strong buy. Okay, so we defined all these stock pivots. By the way, this arrow that I'm exhibiting here, it is available for free on the company website on news that we had a strong buy rating, and in our opinion Apple, it was in fact coincident then with the announcement of the Mac Pro and the prices up to $52,000 US dollars per unit, where we said that we bet that stupid Americans, they were going to buy the product and therefore the margins to increase significantly. Obviously we referred to the Mac Pro. It was a way of saying, because we were joking or playing with it. What we really meant, it was more related to in fact the consecutive downgrades by Goldman Sachs, that they've been always a buying opportunity, as it occurred in the case of Tesla long term. Well, and with this I terminate. Thank you very much. I don't have any further comments. So we are now bearish Apple in 2020 going forward, unlike in the past. Okay, thank you.